Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on what I do for my everyday makeup. Something simple using one eyeshadow color to just kind of make this an everyday look, but also simple and pretty. So if you want to keep watching, let's get started. So after prepping my face with moisturizer, I'm going to be putting on this primer right into my T-zone, my nose, cheek area, and then on my forehead. Next, I'm going to be using this color corrector underneath my eyes to help with the bags underneath. And so I just put it on, and then I'm going to take a blending sponge and then finish blending it in. So as you can see, this goes in really nicely, and I'm just tapping it, several times. I'm not swiping it or anything, so you just want to dab, dab, dab until it gets nice and blended. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation, and this is a matte luminous foundation, and it's going to give me a nice healthy glow finish. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and then grab and dab on my face in different areas. And I always start with one side and then I'll finish with the other side. Next, I'm taking a concealer and putting it underneath my eyes, and I'm going to blend it out with a Beauty Blender sponge. I will also put some concealer on my eyelids to help secure the eyeshadow to keep it on for the length of the day and through my workout later. Next, we have translucent powder, and I'm just going to set my under eyes so that it doesn't crease later throughout the day. Next, I'm using a cream eyeshadow, and this is going to be applied with the wand, and then I'm just going to take my finger and just tap, tap, tap all over the lid. This is going to give a nice shiny color, and this one is called Pink Starlight. So it's just a nice light pink, and then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just kind of blend it in all over. So I'm just going for a nice neutral look today, so that's all I'm going to put on. Next, I'm going in with my mascara, finalizing the eye and putting it on the top and the bottom just to give my lashes a little bit extra length today. Next, I'm going in with my blush. I have two different colors. One is a darker kind of brown, bronzy color that I'm going to use in the hollows of my cheek to act as a contour, and then I'm going to use the more pinkish color for the cheekbones. I'm not a real big fan of contouring, so I just use that to kind of give my face some dimension. And I will put some on my nose and then at the top of my forehead. Next, I'm going in with a highlighter, and I'm actually going to use one of my eyeshadows to do the highlighting. This color is called Crystalline. It's a very beautiful color, very shimmery, and it does a really good job with highlighting. So I'm going to put it right above my eyeshadow and then right above the blush on the cheekbone. And then I'll put some on my nose and my Cupid's bow. So I think it really does a really good job with highlighting the areas that naturally gets the sun. Finally, I will apply a lip liner and then fill it in with a beautiful mauve lipstick. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, thumbs up, or comment below, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.